Good morning, traders. This is the early morning briefing for the 27th of February. First of all, excuse my voice, got a bit of a cold. On to gold. Congratulations yesterday on gold. We had an outside bar. These are fantastic ways of trading, and I would recommend this gold software on the outside bars alone, especially on the 15-minute chart. It works really well. So as the price comes in, you've got an outside bar here. In other words, the price has gone too far too quickly, and then you get a reversal, and then you get the buy signal coming soon afterwards. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there's one there. So you can trade these all day long. So congratulations, nice 45 pips overnight if you held it. Currently, we do have some divergence on the lower time frame, negative, and it's moved into this sell zone. So we do expect this to fall. However, there is news today. What day is it? Tuesday. There we go. So we got durable goods orders at 1:30 UK time. So that's going to have a high impact on the dollar. So we'll be trading that, and I'll do the DVA soon after that for members. So let's go back to gold. So just saying that the price is consolidating. Whenever you see the price on the gold software consolidate in between these support and resistance lines, then usually it doesn't go anywhere until it breaks one side or the other. Once we get a break to the downside on all the support lines, in this case, then of course the price moves down and you make your money. So once you know where the parabolic trends are, and these are indicated on the right here on my watch list, I've got red for sells, green for buys, you can quickly go down to the hourly chart and see what's going on. So everything's stacking down, price action is down, below the central pivot, below the 200-day moving average, and so therefore we expect the DXY to fall. However, with the news at 1:30, that could change everything, so just be aware of that. So further downside momentum is likely, which will drive the euro dollar higher. And as we can see here, we've got a nice swing low, but it's hitting a high liquidity area now, so it probably will bounce down to here. So this is the trade for the day, down to the support area, high liquidity, where it's going to bounce and go to 109.19. Pound USD is above the central pivot, above the 200-day moving average. So we do expect this to go higher if the DXY falls. You have a target of 127.03 and 127.71. Let's go into gold. Gold is parabolic to the upside, and so we do expect the price to break. It has got an inverse head and shoulders back there, and price is above the central pivot and above the 200-day moving average. So we do expect this to go high at some stage. I think there will be a pullback first, down to about 20.25, and then we're going to see the big break. I think this is going much higher in the next few weeks. US yen, a lovely swing low here on a parabolic trend in a rising wedge. So that is the pullback down to the support area. And we've got a lovely swing low here. So there is the swing low. And as long as the price remains above the previous swing low, then we can expect it to go higher. Above the central pivot, above the 200-day moving average, target is 151.05 and then 151.56. Just looking round, prices are fairly mixed. Let's have a look at a few yens. There's a swing low here on the euro yen, as long as the price holds above the high liquidity area here. I would like to see the price do this and come down to about this area before it goes long. Targets for today is above the central pivot and above the 200-day moving average. And so therefore we expect to go back to 163.68 and then on to 164.96. Pound Swiss is looking good, parabolic to the upside. We do have a head and shoulders formation, but the trend could take this up anyway. as long as it holds above 11107, above the central pivot and above the 200-day moving average, we can expect this to go higher. Target 11192 to 11262. Similar for the Euro Swiss, target 9561 and then on to 9614. Euro Canadian is looking good, above the central pivot, above the 200-day moving average. A little bit of divergence indicating lack of momentum, but nonetheless any break of this falling wedge is going to do this and this and this. So your first target, well, it's your second target actually. Your target is 147.13. Onto the pound Canadian now. This is pulling back a bit of a correction going on above the central pivot, above the 200-day moving average. So we do expect this to go higher. There is a little bit of a resistance line here. So what I'd like to see before we go long is to break this line here. And the target's going to be 172.09. There's another target up here at 172.39. So look out for the DVA this afternoon after 1:30. Once the news comes out, I'll be standing by at 1:30 for members who want to trade gold in particular, and it could be a lot of fun. Have a great day.